All right, folks, it's gonna be a quick video today. I'm working on the Tab 400 and I purchased one of these. It's just a lightweight retractable cable, and I'll show you this a little better. Remember, it's called a Sherlock. I don't know if they're still making these or if they've been discontinued, but I thought it was pretty cool. It's got a retractable cable that ratchets. I can't, maybe you'll hear it click here in a minute, but here, I'll show you. Yeah, so it ratchets and it holds the cable out, and then this cable goes in and you can put a lock on it. It's very lightweight, it's not super heavy duty, but it just keeps the honest people honest when you're in a campground. We camp at the beach in California, and there's criminals in California because of the way people are doing things out here. So we need lightweight cables put on them when we're walking to go to the bathroom even. So anyhow, this is an option. It mounts, I'm gonna mount it to the trailer under here. A good friend of mine showed me how he did it, and it also kind of acts as security, especially if you set it to where it ratchets. If somebody cuts a cable, it'll make a big noise, and that ratchet mechanism will alert you in the trailer. But I'm gonna mount it right under here. There's a cross brace right here. It takes 2 bolts, and it's got, I'll show you the bolts. It's got these bolts that are hardened steel, and then it's got these security nuts so they can't unscrew it. So I'll show you that after I get this mounted. I'm not really showing you a how-to video, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I'm doing, and I'll show you the finished product. Let's get on. Also, let me show you the part number on that. Part number is 7032100. And again, that's a Reese brand. It's called a Sherlock. So I got this not through Amazon. Amazon didn't have it. I got it through Napa Auto Parts. So let me get this installed and I'll show you the finished. What I've done is made a little bracket. I've painted it here, you can see. And I did that because there's not enough surface on that cross brace for these 2 holes to secure this box to. So these mean nothing. These are, I guess that's an accessory thing. So you got to secure the box with these 2 holes. Again, this is a low security item. It's not anything that will keep the criminals out, but it'll keep the honest people honest. And I'll show you how it's going to look when we get it. All right, I could have welded that bracket, but I didn't have my welder at the house here, so I took a piece of angle, put it here, put 2 holes in it, and that extended the length down enough so I could secure this box to the frame of the trailer. So there's gonna be 1 hole drilled up here and then 1 hole here for that box to set up. Show you how I do that. And like I said, this isn't a how-to video, but I'm just showing you what you can do and to make a have a low security setup, you know, for your bikes or whatever. All right, now I got those holes drilled. You can see there's the bolt, the first bolt and the second bolt up here. Now we're gonna put the security nuts on it and we'll be done. These are the security nuts. So as you put these on, these will break off on the end, and it'll be hard, makes it harder for somebody to get a wrench on it. I imagine if they were gonna steal something though, they would cut the cable. So there's washers that come in the kit, and then these nuts just thread on like this. And then you crank them down and they obviously break off. So that's what we're gonna do next. All right, just so you can see how that's hooked up. Here's the front of my trailer right here. And that's right down there by the step. Comes back onto itself right here. Boom. And then you put a lock on it. And it is 15 feet long, so it stretches out quite a ways. And allows you to hook things up real close to your trailer. Also, a friend of mine told me, he goes, I just ratchet it out and then I take the click off of it. And when somebody steals it, it'll go back and make noise. So that's another thought. If you are sleeping in your trailer, you'd be able to hear somebody messing with it. So, but this is how it's hooked up. I just made a simple bracket out of angle iron. there's the security bolts after the nuts. After they break off, they look like this. The washers actually go in between the mechanism or the security device and the frame itself. So that's it for that. This is what it looks like. I'm going to back up and I'll show you how it looks. It's not very visible under the trailer. You can barely see it as you back up. You can see it from the front a little bit, right down there. And there it is. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check us out at Instagram at mancave_mayhem. I hope you like this video. There's going to be more scooter videos, more motorcycle videos, just more how-to videos and fun videos. And just remember, folks, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again for watching. Hey, hit me up for questions down below. I'll try and answer them as best I can.